Jamaica love winners, and once they're not win, they're not supporting you. But I don't need their support. I have my own support staff, I have my own support team. I'm a self-motivator.
Welcome again to our narrative where it's okay to be curious. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment. I want to talk about Jamaica loving winners. Jamaica truly love winners. If you're talking about football, cricket, track and field, whatever it is, if you are winning, you are a Jamaican. And you are an excellent Jamaican. Jamaicans, they really love winners. And Yohan Blake had this to say about Jamaica.
My own country, Jamaica, doesn't give me the respect, and I'm happy they don't, because other people outside do, and they appreciate me more than my own country. So, you know, I'm happy that I'm be able to crown elsewhere apart from Jamaica. So I'm just looking to continue doing what I'm doing until I'm happy to step away when it's time.
Yohan Blake said that his country does not respect him. A lot of people do not remember the greatness of a Yohan Blake. Yohan Blake was a part of that 2012 4x1 relay where we set the world record for men. The 2012 200-meter sweep where he ran for silver behind Usain Bolt. The 2012 100-meter where he ran silver behind Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is the greatest sprinter alive. And the world record holder. Nobody ran faster than Usain Bolt, and only Usain Bolt ran faster than Yohan Blake. That is greatness. Yohan Blake was born in a time that he just wouldn't be able to beat Usain Bolt. He wouldn't be able to win again in the 100 meters or the 200 meters. Yohan Blake was banking on the retirement of a Usain Bolt for him to shine, and injury did not allow for it. However, Jamaica have a legacy of greatness, a dynasty of sprinting, a dynasty in track and field. Yohan Blake is as great as they come. One might say, you might hear Usain Bolt and Asafa Powell, but Yohan Blake is arguably greater than Asafa Powell. Asafa Powell is great. He had done some good work. He had broken the world record twice, and he have fast times, but Yohan Blake have faster time than Asafa Powell. He has a world championship gold in the 100 meter, being the youngest athlete to ever win the 100 meter at the world championships. And he also have Olympic silver medal twice. He was the one that pushed Usain Bolt to go back to the drawing board, work himself to a beaten, and he had to lay it all out on the line. And even when Usain Bolt had Tyson Gay and Justin Gatlin breathing down his neck, I saw Yohan Blake was a bigger threat to the title than even the two great Americans, giving Yohan Blake the title as the second fastest man in the history of the world. That's greatness. However, Yohan Blake think that Jamaica does not respect him. I've seen comments where they are saying Yohan Blake should go find a seat. His time has passed. One might think that his time has passed, but the respect is really not given. Jamaica have a history of not respecting the second place winner. Jamaica have a history of not respecting the third place. Jamaica only respect winners. It doesn't matter where you're from, and it doesn't matter what sport you're involved in. Jamaica respect winners. Do you think that this is fair? Do you think there should be some kind of changes to this? Or can we expect Yohan Blake to be respected later on in the future? Drop your comments down below and let me know what you think, and enjoy this video as Yohan Blake explain how he truly feels about how he's been treated by the country that he represents, the country that he loves, and why he is honored outside of the country instead of within.
You know, this brings back memory. Give God thanks, I'm kind of injury free today. Back with the memories that I cast here in 2012. You know, my head is all over the place right now, because what I wanted to do at Jamaican Trials I didn't get to do. You know, I did want to run my final Olympics, I didn't get to. But the journey continues same way. It's definitely it would be my final Olympics. You know, as I said, my own country, Jamaica, doesn't give me the respect, and I'm happy they don't, because other people outside do, and they appreciate me more than my own country. So, you know, I'm happy that I'm be able to crown elsewhere apart from Jamaica. So I'm just looking to continue doing what I'm doing until I'm happy to step away when it's time. This season has been rough, I'm telling you the truth. I've been battling with a lot of injuries, you know, just fighting the fight because I know to get up. You know, I know that I have tread on the wheel same way, because when I look in the race and I see where myself at and I know what is causing my problem, I'm not afraid, you know. So I just keep on working. I can't get up and sprint, you know. I have some old injuries, you know. My muscle came off my bone, so I've been when I get my first major injury, a rupture, so I've been battling with my leg hamstring as well. So it's been a fight this season, but you know, people looking from the outside don't know what's going on the inside. So I'll just have to let them talk, and I know that I have a lot of tread on the wheel same way, so I'm still spinning. Probably this is not my season, probably next season even a better season, you know. So I know what I can do. I've felt it in training, you know. I felt it and I know it's there. It's just for me to do it.